Once upon a time, under the bright sun, a curious little grasshopper was exploring the vast, green garden. As it hopped around, full of energy, it stumbled upon a monk sitting quietly, deep in meditation. The grasshopper, intrigued by the monk's peaceful aura, couldn't help but hop closer, drawn to the calmness that surrounded him. The grasshopper watched the monk for a while, hopping around him, trying to figure out what the monk was doing. The monk remained still, a picture of serenity. The grasshopper, filled with curiosity and a bit of bravery, finally decided to hop right next to the monk. Just as the grasshopper was about to speak, the monk opened his eyes and greeted him warmly. "Hello, little grasshopper," the monk said with a smile. "How can I help you today?" Startled yet excited that the monk noticed him, the grasshopper took a small hop back and gathered all his courage to ask, "I've been watching you and wonder, what are you doing sitting so quietly?" "I'm meditating," the monk explained gently. "It helps calm our busy minds." "Busy minds?" the grasshopper echoed, puzzled. "Yes," the monk continued, "our minds often hop from one thought to another, just like a grasshopper hops from place to place. Meditation helps us find stillness and peace." Intrigued, the grasshopper expressed his desire to learn. "Can I try to calm my busy mind and hopping legs?" "Of course," the monk replied. "It's quite simple. We start by sitting comfortably, crossing our legs, keeping our back straight, and closing our eyes." Eager to try, the grasshopper sat down, took a moment to figure out how to cross his legs, and then closed his eyes. After a short while, he peeked at the monk and asked, "What now?" The monk chuckled softly. "We focus on our breathing. Breathe in deeply, knowing you're breathing in, and breathe out, aware you're breathing out." The grasshopper nodded, closed his eyes again, and followed the monk's instructions. But soon, he got an idea. "Wait," he exclaimed. "I think it'd be better to meditate on that lovely grass stalk over there." And off he hopped to the grass stalk, looking around happily. "Okay, I'm ready now," the grasshopper declared, and they both prepared to meditate again. But shortly after, the grasshopper had another thought. "Wait! That rock over there looks even better for meditating." And off he hopped to the rock. Each time they settled down to meditate, the grasshopper would hop off to a new spot, convinced it would be better than the last. Despite the interruptions, the monk remained patient and calm. Just like the little grasshopper, our minds are always hopping from one thought to another, chasing after distractions. This is often referred to as the monkey mind in Buddhism. Through meditation, we can learn to calm our minds, find stillness, and live more in the present moment. Embracing the present helps us understand and address the root causes of our discomfort and suffering. Remember, the key to inner peace is not finding the perfect spot to meditate, but learning to find peace within ourselves, no matter where we are.